This is my reflection video about the RE Cafe poster, the promoter badge, and I made this poster to make other people to know more about the RE Cafe and make them interested in it. So basically, RE Cafe produce you drinks and coffees and dessert after the dinner or breakfast. So this is my poster for RE Cafe, and as you can see, I used blue and white a lot because I thought that white background will make the text more readable, and blue was kind of matched with the logo of RE, so that's why I chose blue and white for my background color. And I chose these three pictures because for the first picture at the top left, I chose that picture to give you guys a basic idea of how RE product drinks to you and service to you. And second picture at the top right corner, I chose that picture because it gives you the basic idea or mood of RE, how does it looks like, or interiors. So yeah, basically you can get the moods. And last, the third picture at the middle is kind of same reason as the first picture, but yeah, this gives you the basic idea of how they service the products to you. As you can see, also I put the sentence produce the best for the best you, because by that sentence you can make the customer to believe your brand more, and also you can give customers nice brand image. At the bottom I wrote what kinds of product does they sell, because at least basically customers need to know what products does this cafe sell or service. As you can see, the target market of my poster was the people who live around Vietnam, and mostly young generation like 10s to 30s, and also people who need a place to do something with nice drink was my target market. And yeah, that's all. Thank you.